Hello kids, today we would be doing computer hardware components part 2. Last time we discussed what are hardware and software parts of a computer. We discussed motherboard, sound card and some of the other hardware devices that are internal hardware devices. Today we will be seeing some more of them. Video card. What is a video card? When you see a display on the monitor of your computer, this display is actually shown to you with the help of video card. This video card is also known as a display adapter or a graphic card or a video adapter. It is actually having its own processor and memory, and it enhances or makes the picture that you see on the monitor look even better and nice. The better graphic card you have, the better is the display. Next we'll discuss CPU, which is considered as brain of the computer. It is also known as processor or microprocessor. It is a chip like this which is board on the motherboard. There is a slot for placing the CPU. CPU consists of basically three parts: arithmetic and logical unit, control unit and memory unit. Whenever any work has to be done by the computer, the work is executed or done by CPU. It is one of the most important part of your computer. The more instructions that a CPU can execute within per second, the better it is considered. Its speed is measured on the basis of number of instructions it can execute per minute. That is megahertz. It is MHz, megahertz. It has millions of transistors in it which perform wide variety of functions. Its parts, arithmetic and logical unit, performs the arithmetic functions and takes the logical decisions. Control unit controls how data passes from ALU to the memory unit to ALU. Memory unit is the unit in which the data is stored before something is done on it, after something is done on that data, or the data is processed. Next we'll talk about random access memory, that is RAM. As the name indicates, it is a temporary or a volatile memory, and randomly it works. Data which you give to your computer, or the data which is to be stored on the computer till a program is running, is all stored in RAM. RAM uses, or the memory of RAM is used as long as a program is running. As soon as the program closes, RAM removes all the data from itself. When you shut down the computer, RAM becomes empty and no data is stored in RAM. If you want your computer to function faster, then it has to have more RAM installed. Read-only memory. As the name indicates, read-only memory is a small chip which allows you to only read from it. That is, you can just read whatever instructions are written in it. Nothing can be written on it. One of its best example is BIOS, Basic Input Output System. This BIOS chip stores the operating system, and whenever you start the computer, this operating system data is copied from ROM up to temporary memory RAM, and your computer starts functioning. Once you shut down the computer, RAM becomes empty, but the operating system is still safe in BIOS. All the instructions to start your computer, to boot up the computer, are stored in ROM. ROM is a non-volatile memory. It is permanent, and whatever written in it is never erased. These are the type of ROM: programmable read-only memory, electronically programmable read-only memory, and EEPROM means erasable electronically programmable read-only memory. We'll only cover this many hardware parts today. Next today we will be checking, or next time in next class we'll be doing the other ones. Thank you.